think it's important that the students in all the years see me, so I teach a little bit in the first year, a little bit in the second year, but really my specialism, which I'd like to spend most of my time, is teaching cognitive psychology. The department offers a number of different degrees, a single honours psychology degree where you spend all of your time doing psychology, but there are two 4-year variants of that degree where you can, if you wish, spend a year studying abroad, or you can spend a year working in industry. We also offer a joint degree in psychology and criminology where you spend 50% of your time in each of those different subjects. All of our courses are accredited by the British Psychological Society, which means that the core curriculum we offer is similar to that offered by other courses around the United Kingdom that are also accredited by the BPS. We know from experience that different students thrive in different types of learning environments, and because of this we insert them all into the course here. So you may be taught in lectures from 40 students up to 150 students in the larger cases, to seminars where you'll be taught with 20 or so different students, to tutorials where you'll have a one-on-one with your tutors and lecturers. We also, of course, insert workshops in psychology, which we think are a terribly important part of the course. Any university you choose to study in is partly about the course and partly about lifestyle. And the lifestyle and the course connection here at Aberystwyth is quite unique. The relationships between staff and students is absolutely key to our success here in Aberystwyth. You won't be a student number, we will know who you are, and I think that's something which we've worked on very hard here, and this is coming out particularly in the national polls, which show that supporting students is something which is terribly important. If you need any more information, please take a look at the website or feel free to contact us.